but in the interest of time, I will just start to rinse this out now. Make sure that's clean. Okay, let's rinse out the tap tomatoes. Put that there, and then we'll rinse out this is what I call Kangen tomatoes. Okay, which one do we get them to taste first normally? Is it that one or this one?
Sweet one first.
The sweet one first?
Well, let them try. Don't tell them which is which.
Oh, hang on,
Don't tell them which
no,
is
wait,
which.
hang on. Was it the sweet one first?
So this is Kangen. This is tap.
Okay, let's pass this round. Let's pass down. Would you like to just take one? And I would suggest you put the whole one in your mouth, otherwise it will explode all over your beautiful clothes. Yeah, you can.